Hello, friends. In Ephesians 3:19, Paul told us he wants us to know the love of God that surpasses knowledge. That means Paul wants us to pursue the knowledge of a love so high, so deep, and so wide that we can never find its limits. It surpasses knowledge, guys. It makes me think of an expensive birthday gift. When you give a gift, you remove the price tag and throw it away. You don't want the recipient to know how much you paid. Likewise, God's love came to humanity as a valuable gift, and God threw away the price tag. Now we will never know how much it cost to see our sin upon that cross. So could this be true? Are there really no limits to the love of God? Yes, I believe so. And in the days ahead, you and I will do our best to grasp this love we can never fully know. Godspeed, my friends.